Welcome everyone. Here I'll deal with DraftSight get area and get distance tool. For that, I'll refer the polygon first. Choose the polygon from here. I'll draw a polygon of 3 edges. Specify the center point and just enter and specify the distance. Let's say 50. Enter. Fine. Again, let's select this, specify the number of sides 3 and specify the center point. I'll hover on it to get the center point. Then I'll define the corner, enter, and this should be somewhat 3. Hit enter. I'll go to manage and inquire. I'll choose get distance, and from this to this, if I press F2 and access the command window, whether it'll give the distance. It shows the distance is 5.1962. And then if you want, you can just use this dragger to change the dimensions here. Then get area, choose the tool get area, and it asked me to select the area. Get area, I'll specify A for add area. I'll specify the first point, the second point, and the third point. Enter. Hit F2 to check the area. It's 32.4760, and the total area is 32.4760. Now I want to subtract the area. I'll press yes to subtract the area, and I'll specify the first point, second point, and third point. So this is the area that should be subtracted. I'll hit enter. Again, I'll press F2 to get the details. Here also you can see in the command manager. And the details is the area, the remaining area is 11.69, and the total area is 20.7846. So this is how it works. Thank you for watching.